let's make this fun St. Patrick's Day bow. And we're going to take our Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm going to cut a piece that's long enough that I can fold it in half and tuck it under the Bowdabra. This is going to be a really fun St. Patrick's Day bow. So I'm going to start with my mesh and it's a 21-inch deco mesh, and we're just going to roll this here so that it's not frayed, and we're going to just go down the center of the mesh and just scrunch everything in. So it's just a big scrunchy bow. I'm just going to get everything scrunched down into the Bowdabra. This is a great way to add bulk to your bow and do it very simply and also inexpensively, because the mesh is less expensive than, say, a big amount of ribbon if you were going to use the ribbon. So then the next thing that I'm going to do is take my ribbon here, and we're just going to add tails or ribbon, and we've already dovetailed. So then the next thing that we're going to do is make just a traditional fold and twist bow. So I'm going to just twist it, and I love this Lamé ribbon. It almost feels like leather. And we're going to twist it and fold and twist and fold and twist. That's all I'm doing here, is just folding and twisting, and on this last loop I'm just going to scrunch it in. And we'll take our Bowdabra wand and give everything a really good push. And we have our loops, and I'm just going to kind of shape it as I'm going. Then I have my Shamrock ribbon. We're just going to fold this over and make like an awareness bow. We call it a funky bow or an awareness bow. And we're just going to do the same thing on this side. So all I'm going to do is take this here, twist it, and bring it back around and lay this in. So all my loops are the same size. Then I'm going to take my shimmery ribbon, and we're going to make what we call a shoelace bow. And we're just going to lay this down into the Bowdabra. We're going to fold it in half so we find the center. Then we're going to take the right side, lay that down into the Bowdabra, fold this back over. And again, we're making our loops all the same size. And lay that down in here. Then we're going to do another awareness bow. So we're going to just start with the right side up, twist it, lay it down into the Bowdabra, fold it back over. And all of these beautiful ribbons you can buy on the Bowdabra website. So if you look down into the comments below, in the description of this video, you'll have all the measurements and the type of ribbon that we used. Just put that down there. Then we're going to make another shoelace bow. So we're just going to fold the ribbon in half, find the center, put it down the wrong way, and now we have the right side on the outside of our loops. And we're just going to bring the tails coming down and do the same thing on this side. Tails coming down. Then we're going to end up with a piece of our Lamé ribbon, and we're just going to fold this over here, scrunch it into our Bowdabra, and then just take this side here, and we're just going to fold that under. And you'll have like almost a little flower in the center. Take our Bowdabra wand, give everything a good scrunch, pull it out, And take our wire, pull this through the wire, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it out. I'm going to separate the ends of my wire and bring it around to the back. And we're just going to tie a knot and tie another knot here. And then what we're going to do is just shape out our bow. So we're going to just bring our tails coming down and bring this tail coming down here, bring our loops. And what's cool about this kind of bow is you don't need to use as much ribbon, but you end up with a really big, beautiful, bountiful bow. We'll just keep shaping this here. Because this is wired ribbon, I just put my fingers into it and shape it. And bring this around over here. Go back to the front camera, and you can see you have this beautiful, beautiful bow. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.